especially in last 10 years, there are many new sectors have evolved. India was known for IT and there was a IT boom. Lot of business opportunities were created revolving around IT and ITS sector. Subsequently, we found that retail has become a upcoming sector, and predicting the importance of more professional requirement in the retail sector, which has become a organized retail. I will not say that retail is new. Retail was more unorganized. Now it is organized. There was a kirana shop when we were students in our childhood days. Parents used to go to Hart to collect the grocery. Now today it has been organized under one roof, under several platforms, and the customers, they have got a wide range of choices. So we thought that retail needs a lot of professionals. And interestingly, Pantaloon identified ASBM as a potential business school to develop and deliver a course curriculum in retail management. We worked along with the Future Group, the Pantaloon. We introduced first time in India the postgraduate program in retail management, and we created a lot of professionals, and ASBM has contributed n number of professionals in the area of retail sector in most of the leading industries in India and outside India. I feel that the future of retail is very good, in fact, and the kind of professionals are being created by ASBM in the area of retail management. They are the leaders now in industry. They are leading different stores and they are leading different companies, and we have taken a pride in creating a niche professional in the area of retail management. Similar experience also we have in terms of logistics and supply chain. Gati came forward. Gati is the pioneer in logistics and supply chain, and Gati gave us financial support, and our team worked with Gati professionals and introduced first time in India a postgraduate program in logistics and supply chain management. None of the institution today is offering a course on engineering management, but it is a high demand in United States and other European countries, and the same demand I think will be there in India. So therefore, to explore that demand, we have already signed a MOU with St. Cloud State University, those who are pioneer in engineering management course in United States. They have accepted us as a partner, and we are going to introduce the course in 2014, having 1 year here and 1 year there, which will give the Indian students leverage to master this skill with less money spent. Because 2 years course, if they pursue in the United States, it would be very expensive. Therefore, 1 year they can have a subsidized rate here, and the next year they can go there and they will be observed in different companies. That is one area. Second area, as I told you, NBFC, non-banking financial companies are very strong players. I will tell you, Manappuram Finance today, they have the turnover is 12,000 crores, and every year they are recruiting 1,000 people. So when we discuss, we told them that you are not getting right kind of talent. They have to spend 1 year on induction for the student to be ready to deliver. So therefore we told them that why not you upload that responsibility to us, to ASBM. We will create a ready-made product for you, and then they will be delivering on the 0 day. So that is one interesting new area wherein we are working. Similarly also, as I said, that BIFS, it was a very emerging sector which we have introduced. Another new area which is very upcoming, that is energy management, that is infrastructure management is also a very big area, because India will have next 50 years focus on infrastructure development. We are very poor so far as infrastructure is concerned. So the future lies in infrastructure development. The investment management, now the portfolio management, and there are n number of areas wherein the things can be added. For example, today I will tell you there are so many TV channels. Now the TV channels, those who are running the TV channel, they may be technically expert, but for them exclusively channel management professionals are required. Those who can have a strategy of business, they can see that how they can create their product, what kind of products are required, in which way the product can be delivered, and how they can make return on investment. Similarly, there are other areas wherein you feel that there are a lot of investment. For example, the telecom area, telecom sector has grown leaps and bounds. So telecom management is also a very new area. And as I said, that slowly when the business opportunities will evolve, it will get opened up, we will also start thinking innovative way to introduce, to create professionals to cater to that need. We always say necessity is the mother of invention. Now of late it has been realized that in judiciary also they need lot of management for the day-to-day management of the courts. Interestingly, Nalsar, Hyderabad, has recently this year they have introduced a MBA program on court management. The focus is how to manage the day-to-day function of a court, and that is quite interesting, and they need lot of professionals because they will be appointed in different courts to manage. So that why I mention here, as I said, that a necessity always compels the individual to think that what would be the new. So similarly, there would be n number of areas wherein the new requirement will come up, and management is a evolving science, and it is not a static one, and anywhere, everywhere you need management today. Even if at home front, if you want to be a good husband or a good wife, or maybe you want to have a very good family, so you need a family management. If you want to be a good professional, you need a self-management. So what I feel, when I was teaching in IIMs, we used to get students, those are chartered accountants, doctors, of course engineers. Many times we also get the homeopathy doctor, we get architects and what not. All these people, they come to pursue course in management. Management has become necessity now. When you have so many resources and there are many overlapping areas of decision making, you need the art and science of management to excel in problem solving situation at workplace.